The EIS Fast Audit System allows your employees to use a simple-to-operate handheld reader to scan the entire inventory of a store in a small fraction of the time required for a manual inventory. The inventory data is stored electronically and can be accessed through a standalone RFID inventory management system or integrated into a legacy management information platform. The demo you are about to see today is an example of how the system operates when integrated to an existing POS system. The system we will be demoing today is Data Age Business Systems, a leading provider of POS systems in the pawn industry. At the heart of the system is EIS's RFID handheld reader. As you will see, it is extremely user-friendly. The next vital system component is EIS's Inventory Management Module, or IMM. This middleware software is the mechanism that allows our handheld to wirelessly interface with your business management system. The last component, but by far not the least, is the tag. Welcome back. Let's get started with the demo of how EIS's system works. Let's start with the first step, which is assigning a tag to an item in inventory and the method in which we use to accomplish that. This is the Tag Assignment Reader, TAR. The first step to assigning a tag begins with placing a tag directly in front of TAR and simply pressing the yellow button located on the front of the reader. As you can see, an amber light is now lit. That gives us a visual cue or indication that the TAR has successfully read the tag ID and placed the tag ID in a file for the POS system. Now let's go to the POS system and pull up an item that needs a tag assigned. Within Data Age POS system, we pull up the item number of the item we are wishing to assign a tag to. After entering the item number, we are presented with the information related to the item. We then select the Edit button, which takes us to the association screen. We select the button labeled RFID, and the POS system retrieves the tag ID we stored in the file earlier with the TAR. We have now completed the tag assignment process. As you can see, this process is simplistic and very efficient. Now that we have tags associated to items within the POS system, this allows us to perform an inventory using EIS's Fast Audit handheld. The first screen your employees will see is the splash screen. In most instances, the only button your employees will interact with is the Scan button. Depressing the Scan button will begin a new inventory session. Notice that the counter is at 0. We are now ready to begin the inventory session. For today's demonstration, we will limit what we are going to inventory to just the category of firearms. But before we begin the inventory, let's remove one item so we create a discrepancy. We are removing item G14750-1. Let's get started with that inventory. That completes the inventory of the firearm items located in this bin named Gun Showcase 1. The handheld has inventoried 49 items. This portion of the inventory process took approximately 5 to 10 seconds. As you can see, the Fast Audit saves tremendous amounts of time performing inventories. The final step involving the handheld is to select the Send button. This directs the handheld to wirelessly transfer all of the tag IDs read during this inventory session to the EIS database located on the store's central server, creating a file for the POS system to upload the tag IDs. Let's move on to the POS system and demonstrate how we turn that inventory data into a valuable tool for you, the store owner or manager. Okay, for the final step, we will demonstrate how easy it is to transfer the inventory data we uploaded into the EIS database located on the central server to the POS system or any business management software. Okay, we are already logged into the POS system. From here we select the Inventory menu from the toolbar, then scroll down and select Physical, and again we select Physical. As you can see, that takes us to the screen that will actually allow us to upload the tags' IDs into the POS system. Okay, the only thing left for us to do is to select Upload RFID button. As you can see, the tags' IDs are being uploaded into the POS system. If you will notice, we don't see RFID tag IDs here on this screen. However, what we do see is a description of all the items we just performed an inventory on that had an RFID tag associated to them. We now select Save, and this to verify that we have inventoried all of the items except for the gun we removed. We can now go to Reports and select Management. Then select Physical Discrepancies, followed by selecting Print. We select Inventory Items and OK. This will take us to the Item Type screen. Since we are only interested in the firearms located in the bin named GSC1, we enter the bin and select OK. Then we select Bin and OK again. The only discrepancy we see is the gun we removed at the start of our inventory, G14750-1.